Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today what we're going to look at is how to scale in After Effects, alright? So there's a few ways to do it, so I'm going to show you how to do it the right way, okay? Now, before you start, ensure that your tool is set to the selection tool, alright? So this is the hand tool, this is the selection tool, and you will know when it is selected on the selection tool when it turns blue. Alright, so if I want the zoom tool, I will click on the zoom tool and you'll see that it turns blue. However, we're going to click on the selection tool, and the shortcut for the selection tool is V. Alright, once you're on the selection tool, you're going to go down and you're going to select the element. Now the element that I am referring to is your media. You're going to select. Very important. You're going to ensure that you select the element that you want to scale. Now once you select the element, you're going to see a box or a line with a few knobs at the end. And for you to scale, all you have to do is click and drag to whatever dimension you want. You can scale it. Alright, so that is just one way to do it. So this is how you do it manually. Alright, now there's another way to scale it. Alright, so you're going to select on the element and you're going to look right here. You're going to see an arrow. You're going to click and then you're going to see the transform options and you're going to go down to scale. Alright, ensure that you click on scale and you will know when you're on scale because it is highlighted. Alright, now once you're on scale, these are the scaling options that you have. Alright, so this right here is the, let me show you, this right here is the width. Alright, and the second option is the height. Alright, now the reason why I'm able to scale it independently is because I took the link off. Alright, so this is the constraint proportion link. Alright, so once you have this link on, when you scale it, the width and height scale same time, but once you take it off, only the width or only the height will change. Alright, and bear in mind that the scale option can also be animated. Alright, so right to the left hand side you see the stopwatch icon. You're going to click on it. Alright, so this is the beginning of the keyframe. Alright, so you're going to scale by adding keyframe. Alright, so you're going to go down a few seconds and you're going to add the new properties for the scale, and that's how you will scale in After Effects using keyframes. Alright, so when you click the space bar, you will see that the image is scaling automatically, or the scale is being animated. Alright, and that's how you will scale in After Effects. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Take care.